This 2D matrix coding question has appeared at every single top tech company. So you're given a 2D matrix where x's represents battleships and periods which represents empty space. If there are x's that are connected vertically or horizontally, they form a single battleship. Now, given a 2D matrix that does not contain adjacent battleships, return the number of battleships on the board. Let's say we're given this matrix, we have 3 possible battleships, so we can return 3. Let's go over the thought process. We can visit the cells row by row from top to bottom and left to right. Now for each of the value x, if there are no x to the left or the above, that means it's the first cell in the battleship. We can increment our count. Now if there are already x's to the left or the above, that means we have already accounted for this battleship. Let's implement the function count battleships, taking the input board, keep track of the counts, iterate through the cells. If the cell is an empty space, skip it. If there are no x's above or to the left, increment counts, return counts.